Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete app data on your iPhone. This is super useful if you're running out of space or want to clear out saved app information without affecting other parts of your device. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Then choose iPhone Storage. Here you'll see a full list of your installed apps along with how much space each one is using. Find the app you want to clear and tap on it. You'll see two options: Offload app and Delete app. If you offload the app, it removes the app itself but keeps your documents and data in case you reinstall it later. But if you want to completely erase the app and everything with it, tap Delete app. A confirmation will pop up asking if you're sure. Just hit delete and that app's data will be permanently removed. And that's it. You've cleared out app data on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.